Hi everyone, and welcome back to the AgenticFlow channel. In this episode, we are using Claude Code together with the AgenticFlow AI to build CL to build a sales CSV invoice pack in just a couple of minutes. Let me set the scene. Almost every small sales operations lives a spreadsheet. Someone exports a CSV of customers, products, quantities, and unit price. And then somebody has to sit down and turn those rows into draft invoice totals line by line, customer by customer. It is tedious. It is easy to fat finger a multiplication, and it usually happens late on a Friday when attention is lowest. This blueprint takes that raw CSV and does the arithmetic and the grouping for you. So a human can review clean draft totals instead of building them from scratch. Are we with back here? You can see the prompt we are giving to Claude Code. Ask these AgenticFlow CLI to deploy the sales-csv invoice-pack blueprint, and we handed a small CSV with 3-line items across 2 customers, FMICO with a workflow setup and some support hours, Archive and Brightline Inc. with a batch of training seats, Codex. Then we set the invoice policy in plain language, with Codex to calculate draft and invoice totals by customer. And this part matters. Do not claim the invoices were emailed, stored, paid, or approved. Well, it is drafting figures for a person to check, not touching any billing system. So we're back where we then ask it to deploy the workflow, run it once, and show us the draft invoice, the diaries, any validation issues, and the suggested next steps. Bad way when we run it, Claude Code reads the prompt, deploys the workflow on AgenticFlow, and runs it once. Let me walk through what comes back. A draft invoice summary grouped by customer. 2 with each line item multiplied out and totaled, so you can see a can setup plus support hours as one figure. Base and Brightline's training seats as another. We're back within a validation section that surfaces anything that looks off. Glotos a missing price, a zero quantity that does not reconcile. Okay, and finally, a short list of next steps framed as recommendations for the person who owns billing, not actions worth took. Also notice the transformation here. Enter, you start with a flat CSV that means nothing until someone does the math. And you end with per customer draft totals plus a note of what to double check before anything gets sent. After that is exactly the boring, error-prone step you want a workflow to handle first. I'll be input you to use this yourself. You will free the first need the AgenticFlow CLI installed. Our earlier videos walk through the setup if you have not done it yet. Alpha Presidio, and while we are using Claude Code in this episode, the exact same prompt works in Ishi or other coding agents, so use whichever you prefer. One nice detail, the blueprint prioritizes AgenticFlow's blows built-in nodes, so it only consumes AgenticFlow credits when it runs. So back to and so one is finished, we can jump over to AgenticFlow and review the entire workflow visually, confirming every step was built correctly. Code series, you can see exactly how the CSV flows through each node, parsing, calculation, validation to produce the invoice pack. And here is why this matters at scale. Totaling one small CSV by hand is annoying but survivable. So with Veclo, but a workflow that reliably turns any customer, product, quantity, price export into reviewed draft invoices means you can run it every day in hundreds of rows. And back with the same arithmetic and the same validation checks every time, and keep a human firmly in the approval seat where they belong. So I'm in Aberito, so I would really encourage you to try this with your own sales export. So with the adaptive swap in your CSV, tune the invoice policy to your terms, and watch the validation issues it catches before they reach a customer. On an art by Ox, so much for watching. If thank you found this helpful, please subscribe for more, and we will see you in the next one.